naglaro ang bata, naglaro. Ang sarap magpaulan-ulan. Ang sarap magpaulan-ulan. Raining Tuesday. Good morning everyone. Sobrang makalamlim ang panahon. The weather. Yan guys. It's raining. Happy Tuesday. Kahit maulan, happy pa rin. Ayun lang.